We're staying with the arraignment of the former governor of Kogi State, Yahaya Bello, by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission. An FCT High Court sitting in Maitama has remanded the former governor in the custody of the EFCC. Yahaya Bello pleaded not guilty to the 16-count charges of alleged money laundering against him. Celestina Area reports.
At the resumed sitting, counsel to the EFCC told Justice Remands that it would be premature to issue a warrant of arrest on the former governor of Kogi State, since he still has time to respond to the summons of the court issued on him. The order issued by the court for Mr. Bello to appear in court is to lapse on November 17, 2024. Counsel to the EFCC prayed the court for an adjournment to 27 November to afford Mr. Bello more time. He also confirmed to the court that two defendants in the case are on administrative bail. He prayed the court to grant an application to post the notice of hearing on the last known address of Mr. Bello, since he has not been attending proceedings. After listening to all counsels, the judge granted the EFCC application and adjourned to November 27th. The former governor of Kogi State Yahaya Bello is also expected to be arraigned before Justice Emeka Aweti of the Federal High Court in Abuja on a 19-count charge of money laundering to the tune of 80 billion naira. The court had adjourned to January for ruling on whether to try Mr. Bello in absentia and enter a plea of not guilty on his behalf due to his absence from court. Celestina Area, TVC News, Abuja.
And Celestina joins me on the news for more updates from the court. Celestina, we understand that there was a slight scene at the court earlier. Give us update on that and just the general, all of the judgments by arguments and judgment by the judge.
Well, the court was very full today. It had supporters of the former governor and also the two other defendants. They also came to show solidarity to the defendants. And also we had quite a number of operatives from the EFCC who were also in court to ensure that peace and order is maintained. And of course, lawyers and journalists. So basically, the court did not start at exactly 9 a.m., but Justice Aneni came by 9:30, and the proceedings commenced. Before that, they had a little issue as to discongesting the court because of the numbers of supporters that had come to support the former governor. So he took it upon himself to ensure that he maintained peace in the courtroom by asking his supporters to leave the courtroom, politely asking them and pleading with them. So when they left, the court was in order. Justice Aneni returned to the courtroom and proceedings commenced. The former governor pled not guilty to the 16-count charge. Moved the application for his bail, which the EFCC counsel objected because he said the bail was premature and hasty, because the bail application dated 22nd of November and Mr. Bello just was arraigned today, 27th of November. So it's more or less that Mr. Bello preempted the court before by filing a bail application ahead of his arraignment. So the judge of December to rule on the bail, or if Mr. Bello will be granted the defendants in the custody of the EFCC.
Thank you so much, Tina, for that update. I guess in 2 weeks' time, we'll be getting more updates and development on this particular story. Judiciary correspondent Tina Iriad, who has been covering this trial of the former governor of Kogi State, Yahaya Bello, for us. Thank you, Tina.